Do you want to be able to fix Instagram music notes not showing? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you watch this until the end and apply all of these steps that I'm going to show you for it to work, basically. So the first step is quite simple. We need to come to our Instagram app, and then, of course, you need to also log into your Instagram account and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. Now, when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines because then, as you can see, we get a couple of alternatives in here. But in here, we're going to click on the first alternative, which is settings and privacy. So click on that one. And now what we're going to do is to just scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help, and now we need to click on reports a problem, the first one in here. Now click once again on reports a problem and then click on include and continue. The reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram customer service team basically directly, and they are the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue, because this issue right now is actually like many people does not have this kind of feature right here because it is like quite a new feature basically, and that is why we need to contact like the customer service and ask them to unlock this feature for us. So now you need to write exactly like this to them. I want to unlock the feature to be able to add music to my Instagram notes. So write exactly like this now to their support. I want to unlock the feature to be able to add music to my Instagram notes. Now click on send in the top right corner. And basically what you need to do after that is to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to be able to see this. And hopefully after they have seen this, then this problem should be fixed for you. So basically this is exactly how to fix this. And also if you have any like questions, please write them down here in the comments, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And I wish you the best day.